Check out this 2007 Pontiac Grand Prix. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. Save your money. Make less trips to the gas station to fill your gas tank when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: leather seats, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo, a satellite radio, power mirrors, power steering. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.